In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Google map to your WordPress website without using any API credentials at all. This is perfect if you don't want to deal with Google Cloud setup, billing accounts, or API limits. You'll be able to embed a working Google map directly into a WordPress page using a simple method that works with the block editor. This is great for contact pages, location pages, or any site where you just want to display a map quickly and easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Pages. This will show you a list of all the pages on your website. Decide which page you want to add the Google map to. This could be an existing page, like a contact page, or a new page that you've created specifically for your location. Next, find the page you want to edit and click on Edit. This will open the WordPress block editor, also known as Gutenberg. This is where you can add and manage all the content on your page. Once the editor is open, decide where on the page you want the Google map to appear. When you're ready, click on the plus icon to add a new block. This plus icon lets you insert different types of content blocks into your page. After clicking the plus icon, use the search bar and type in HTML. From the results, select the custom HTML block. This block allows you to paste raw HTML code directly into your page, which is exactly what we need for embedding a Google map without an API key. Now comes the most important part. Open Google Maps in a new browser tab and search for the location you want to display. Once the location loads, click on the Share button. From the sharing options, select Embed a Map. Google will generate an iframe embed code for you. Copy the entire iframe code provided by Google. Go back to your WordPress editor and paste that iframe code directly into the custom HTML block. Make sure the entire code is pasted correctly without removing any characters. This embed method works without API credentials because it uses Google's standard public embed feature. After pasting the code, you can preview the page to make sure the map displays correctly. You should see the Google map embedded right where you placed the custom HTML block. You can adjust its position on the page by moving the block up or down as needed. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click on the Update button to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully added a Google map to your WordPress page without using any API credentials. This method is simple, fast, and perfect if you want to avoid extra configuration while still showing an interactive map to your visitors. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.